Here we go again.
15. What was it? 6. If you don't like me
Jeff driving? He's not going to let your dumb ass drive it.
he should. Right. I do a good job. I know. Already asking who's driving. I told him me. Brandon is driving. Yeah. Told you. Told you you're lying. Damn. 7-18. 7-18? 7-18. We are the 18. A minus. Oh, B plus? B plus? That's a passing grade. Hey, D's pass, huh? Bring him back. Bring him back.
We're not going to see me again. You need the streeter bag.
Wait, is one already stuck in? Anybody got a radio? No? Okay. Wait, let me look. Oh gosh, I'm scared.
Walking across the track from over here.
Well, I see Jay and Rich underneath my pavilion over here, so.
42.
Inverse video.
Whoopsies.
Oops. Right on. Thank you.
Yeah, just prove I don't like you.
Yeah.
Get out of there.
Just look at it. I drove 42 for him.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, you poor sucker. First, too. I drew a 4. Well,
I don't know. I did.
she got me a 4.
I did. That was all me.
Keep it up.
Yeah.
Now if we can win a heat race. Chris, help me out there. Okay. Help me out.
That's great.
Well, Taylor, we got the A team tonight. Me, you, Levi. We got Jeff over here. He's up in lineup right now. And Troy had a wedding rehearsal, so he should be here a little bit later. Oh, there's Levi. There he is. There he is. Got the whole team. Well, minus Troy.
Troy's not here.
Where does Jeff start? Did he tell you?
3rd or 4th.
Oh, I guess you could almost zoom in and kind of see him. So we're gonna have to go watch that, see exactly where he ends up, how he ends up. We drew a 4 in the Dirt Nasty Pro Truck, so we start dead last. No. What am I saying? I don't start dead last. We've been drawing good all season. So start outside row 1. Pretty sure I'm next to Ryan, so obviously that's going to be a tough one. But we completed the feature last week, so we should be solid. As long as the thing still holds together, we can turn some laps. I'm still going to be happy. I think we got 6 of us here tonight, so not good car count, but we're here and that's all that matters. You know what I mean? So it's going to be moment of truth. Go through, finish doing tire pressures, as Taylor's on a roll doing right now as we speak. Thank you on that one. And yeah, we'll get suited up, get some tear-offs loaded, be ready, roll out for the heat race, and see how that sucker goes. Did I miss anything? No, like important stuff. GoPro. Okay, well, that's not what I was talking about, but okay. We're just going to take it. Let's go watch Jeff in this heat race, finish getting suited up, and we'll be out there for the heat race in no time. Jeffy. Picking up the old He Race win, bud. How did it feel?
Chalk one up pretty good, guys.
Sounds like you're carrying the team then today.
Sounds like stay on the bottom, too, just so you know.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. I am, that's what I'm gonna do. I think for sure. But I start up top, so.
Force.
I think Ryan's underneath me though, so I'll feel bad if I.
Only for a little bit.
I'll get over it.
I mean, he got you last week.
You freaking kidding me? High class, and it's all ruined now. We're just blaming Ryan because it's finished. Hey, I don't know if we're after. Oh, we have to be after mods. So since mods are lining up, I should really probably make it to that point to where we can get in and get going. So let's finish everything up one last time. Tires are good. GoPro's on. Get my helmet and stuff out, and we'll be ready to rock. Jeff won.
Oh, did you really? Yeah, look who showed up. Decent amount? Decent amount or what?
Here we go.
This whole thing was...
Come on, bud. We might have to bump you.
Yeah, we're gonna have to bump you. Because it's falling apart where it bolts into the thing. Your starter's doing this.
When you rotate it, it's making like a weird fucking noise.
Here, stick the camera in right there. Hit it, Brandon.
Jeremy David heads up the back of the field.
Yeah, I brought.
That 100.
Why the fuck are they watering?
Dude, I tell you what, I felt like I had some good runs going up top there.
You look
Just
good, dude.
not enough.
What the fuck, man?
So, sounds like Troy's gonna grab a different left rear spring, make a spring change there.
You look good, dude.
It felt good, truthfully. I mean, other than,
You were keeping up with all the fast fucking Prostocks.
yeah,
Looks like you're boogie in there.
I was rolling top, but then they all got me on the bottom, so I'm like,
Dude, as soon as you get off the bottom, there's no traction.
wanted to try it, but then I just hung with them. I wasn't.
I mean, you're not out a whole lot in a heat.
Yeah, I know.
That's a cool angle.
So take some turns out, and then we'll go put a new left rear spring in. That's the plan. All right. Well, it wasn't bad, but we think it can be better. So, kind of sucks starting on the pin and well,
Driving her up the
outside pin, and yeah, driving her all the way up to 5th, I think. So let's let's just try to do better on this next one. We'll have to get the fuel. If you want to get that, we'll throw what we have left in that in, and probably hook up the battery charger again. So yeah, we got some stuff to pick away at to get ready before feature. Yeah, and then the starter issue. Yeah, that's very important. Can't forget about that. So yeah, well, we will get her all fixed up and ready for the feature in no time.
She didn't look good.
What didn't look good?
The starter.
Oh, the start? Yeah.
She looked
After she cools off, we will get under there and fix that situation. Somebody did shut off the GoPro, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I don't need it recording me.
Huh?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Well, there is some temperature in the right rear.
Yeah, I seen the foams in there too.
Should work. Great Kool-Aid.
See what happens, you know what I mean? So what are you doing now? You pulling the tire off, or?
Well, I gotta at least put it up on the chain, pull the shock apart, and get the spring off.
And we went through a good amount of fuel, 4-barrel life. Pretty sweet. I don't think I should have to go get more.
Probably should be good.
Yeah, I think I should be good for this week.
Smack it harder. Advanced technique.
Oh,
Twist it.
Can't reach without climbing up on stuff, but we'll wait until you're done.
Alright. Taking out this out, I think this is like an 18-inch 175. Putting in a 16-inch 100 with some preload.
Nerd.
And see what happens.
Squeeze it. Gap.
Oh,
Twist it.
oh.
Turn it.
Bop it.
So Jeff, how you feeling after that feature win?
It would be dope. Start 6th.
For that heat?
The heat
Yeah.
felt pretty good. Felt like if I got off the bottom, I didn't have any traction, but from what I heard, it's everybody. So we'll see what happens.
Looked pretty cool last time. Get it, Troy.
How tall of a spring was that? 18. I didn't know what on that, and it is. Yeah. Let me get under there. Give me the nut. Oh, it's up top on the deck. I was like, I didn't move. No, I did. When I took it off. Stuff on the threads there. It's done, dude. It's done. Oh my god. It looked like all of a sudden you get that weird push and ow! It's hot!
Well, mods are getting on. Lined up, called. They're going out. Jeffy lost power steering, so he had to pull off. So, yeah, he didn't carry the team like we wanted. But I think we got the truck pretty much all fixed up. Spring chain, took turn out of the right rear. We fixed the starter. Hopefully we fix the starter. We start 5th out of 6 cars. So, last row inside. Let's just hope we don't finish her. Let's just move forward at this point, you know what I mean? And hopefully just get a good finish, because that's what we're here for. But apparently I better get in and let's get going.
Somebody run up there and tell him I need a push.
Set to go. Green flag ready to fly. Here we go. Down at turn number 1. Got a good battle already. 41. Brandon Powell bailing out a little further than 95. After 1, we have Ryan Nuthers leading. Nuthers is pulling ahead of us by a bit. Brandon Powell with a 95. Jim Lady slides away up into third. Not 21. Justin Weber staying in fourth spot. Here's Jimmy David in the number 16D. David Brown tied 4 by about 3 car lengths. Jeremy David in the infielding third, giving up the lead. Up in to lead another lap. Following back second at 95, Brendan Powell. Brendan fighting off the charge coming from. Justin Weber in the 62 car. Running back in the fifth. He's leading Weber in the 57X, and Jeremy David heads up to 6th spot. Jeremy getting loose in turn 4. Another setting a good pace up front. He's falling ahead by roughly 6 or 7 car lengths. And now second spot. 21, Jim Raby. Raby's going to try and make it through to the outside. Coming out turn 4. He's got room. Almost down low. And Raby up on the right side. And looking on. Start 62. They don't follow this guy, the 41E. And Ryan Nuthers. And Raby takes over second. Raby having a sight set on Ryan Nuthers. 16E. And Theo comes back by. Still right by 41N. Ryan Nuthers. Back down in there for second spot. Jim Raby. Brandon Powell in the third spot to 95 machine. In the fourth spot. And it will be 57X. Brandon Weber. Jeremy David still battling in the number 16D. Nuthers having a clear track. In front of him now in the number 41N. Jim Lee Mills half a straightaway better than runner up. In the 21 of Jim Raby as Jeremy David has in the number 16D. Winners make their way around turn 4 again, and now the third place battle to be shaping up. 95 Brandon Powell, along with the number 62 Justin Weber. Still back to his fifth and number 57X. Just a few laps to go in our transmission. So far. He has to jump down out of turn number 4. Jim Raby sitting by himself in the second spot. Coming from Justin Weber, car 62. Maybe trying hard to run down our leader right now.
smell pretty bad there. We all know what fried rear end oil smells like.
Yeah, buddy. Unfortunately.
Gear out of the Mark Martin truck, throwing this still, but at least that's got the axles with it too, if they're the same.
Hopefully it's just a hub or something.
Hey, what's the chance?
It's got
What's the chance that do you have any vibration or anything?
Yeah, I started picking up one.
So
I'm
chances
hoping
are,
it's a hub
no,
came loose or something.
chances are that fucking yoke. It looks like it's coming right out the front because you still had gear, right? You're still able to drive.
Yeah, I just
So it probably come out and blew that fucking seal
I
off.
picked up that vibration, so I just
That's
shut
why
it down.
I was
you
when
know?
I truck that fucking nut come loose, fucking vibrated out and then blows the seal out.
Okay, yeah.
So you might be alright.
YouTube needs to come through.
Oh my god, man. It really does. What's up, dude? Well, this is depressing.
Here we go again.
Alright. So,
Too dark.
yeah, it's dark out now. Truck came back. And what it looks like is one piece. We all know it's not in one piece right now. We started puking gear oil. So something in the rear end let go. Pretty sure it's gear on the pinion, which is not good with the luck we have had. It does stink. You could smell this video right now. Not good. So we have some situations on our hands. This is depression right now. I don't even know.
Depression stinks.
Yeah, it does. It does, man. The bad thing is the truck was rolling good until it wasn't.
You were starting to smoke there for a couple laps.
And I didn't know I was smoking, obviously. I started when you lifted. I could start smelling stuff, you know? And I'm like, oh, it's not from me though. It has to be coming off somebody else, you know? And then I started getting a little vibration.
Going around the track a couple times, you probably laid it in thick.
Yeah. Yeah, not good, but it's time to attempt to get this thing loaded real fast. Well, guys, we got gears everywhere. Gear that has to go in the truck. The gear that came out of the truck.
Red truck.
Yeah. Not good.
Show them the one that came out of the blue one too. Did you see that?
Oh. Yeah.
Crack there, missing
Everything. Yeah, we have not had good luck so far this year. And then, obviously, like everything, the GoPro mount
What's
broke
Jordan always
also.
say? Broken, gone, broken.
Yeah, we just could not catch a break on Friday. Okay. Just everything's broke, Jeff. What about you? How did your Friday night end up?
Not very strong.
Not very strong. Man, it
I ran out
sounds
of
like
power
a...
steering fluid and couldn't turn the bitch barely.
That bad?
Pretty bad, yeah. Either hit the gym or
And you had a flat tire, right? On the right front?
yeah,
Which probably didn't help.
it's going down.
Yeah.
It was down by the time the night was over.
Yeah, not good.
Not good.
And then,
Forgot about
when we went to go load up the truck,
God.
we ended up hitting the fender, bent it all up, had to cut it off. So, like everything, everything's broken. So, got a lot to do this week. Ought to be a fun week. Or something like that, I think is what we're going to say. But,
Busy.
yeah, busy for sure. So, thanks everybody for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that like and subscribe button. And, yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one, as always.